Hello everyone, in this video we are going to know what are the different advantages of maintaining accounting transactions in business. Already we have understood what is accounting and what are the different processes of accounting and what are the different financial transactions we can get in a business. There are many type of businesses we can get in a market. Different kind of businesses have a different kind of transactions. In a previous video, one example I had took manufacturing business example I had took. In that business, in a manufacturing company, what kind of different transactions, financial transactions we can get, that I had explained. Different kind of businesses can have different kind of transactions. In this video, I am going to explain what are the uses of maintaining accounting transactions in a business. If that company is maintaining accounting transactions, that company can able to find out the financial position of the company at present and in a future. And accounting system reflects the funds which are being used by the company are utilizing for the growth of company or not. See, every company uses a capital account for the growth of the organization. Whatever capital account that company is using, that all amount utilizing for the growth of company or not. We can able to identify, we can able to find out answer for this question if we are maintaining accounting transactions in a business. Next one, financial position of a company helps to take decision for the investors whether to invest in that company or not. If that company is in a growth, if that company's financial condition is a good, then definitely investors will try to invest in that company. Accounting systems helps to identify whether the company is in a profit or not. Next one, accounting systems helps to know any operation of a company has to be withdrawn and any other operation has to be started, or else any other operation has to be continued for the next financial year. After maintaining these all accounting transactions, that company can decide whether any operation has to be continued in the next financial year or not. And if any operations are by any operations that company is getting loss, then that company can decide to withdraw that operation. We can get answer for all these questions if that business or if that organization is maintaining accounting transactions.